How to redeem Hawaiian Miles. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem Hawaiian Miles. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to hawaiianairlines.com. Here, you want to log into your account. For that, click on the sign in option. Once you click on this option, you have to enter all of your credentials on this page. Go ahead and enter either your email, Hawaiian Miles number, or username. Then enter your password and click on the sign in option. In case you have forgotten your password, click on this link to reset it. Once you have been signed into your account, you want to join the Hawaiian Miles program. Once you join it, you will be getting discounted checked baggage on flights between the Hawaiian Island, earn miles on how far you fly, not how much you spend, explore more with miles that never expire, and redeem miles for any seat in the main cabin. If you want to earn Hawaiian Miles, you want to travel anytime with miles, they offer non-stop service to Hawaii from destinations in North America, Asia, and South Pacific. You can also use Hawaiian Airline credit and debit cards to turn your day-to-day spending into future award travel and partner rewards. Once you have earned enough miles, you can redeem miles for any seat in the main cabin or use your miles to upgrade to first or business class. Miles don't expire and can be redeemed anytime without blackout dates. Flight awards are as low as 7,500 miles one way for travel within Hawaii or 20,000 miles between Hawaii and the West Coast. Exclusive flight award discounts for Elite members, Premier Club members, and Hawaiian Airline MasterCard members are available. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.